If you live in the South and have an aerobic system with sprinklers, it's possible they froze up last winter. Let me show you what you can do this weekend to keep that from happening again. So you need to go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy something called a king drain. It's going to be in the irrigation section. If you have this type of sprinkler, your job's going to be really simple. Dig a hole out around the sprinkler. The hole needs to be about 1 foot in diameter and about a foot below your sprinkler head. Remove this plug. Screw in the king drain. And backfill the hole with gravel. That's it. Now when the sprinklers turn off, the water will drain out of the king drain into the gravel instead of staying in the sprinkler head. This isn't a guarantee from it freezing up, but it'll help. If you have this type of sprinkler head, your job's going to be a little more difficult, but not a lot. Dig down to where the sprinkler line runs horizontally and cut the line. You're going to want to get a 1 inch by 1/2 inch threaded T. Glue this into the line with the T facing down. Dig out a space below it and fill that with gravel. This is where your king drain goes. And the same thing, when the sprinkler goes off, the water will drain into the king drain instead of staying in the head. Put one below every head. And that's it. That should help prevent you from freezing up this winter.